The developments expanding along our coasts and out at sea as well, they're undoubtedly having a lot of negative impacts on the marine environment. And we know that man-made habitats like these sea walls and offshore wind farms, harbours, they're not adequate replacements for the natural habitats that they displace. But we also know that they can be made better by adding in these special habitat units that make them better for marine life to live in. And these habitat units are essentially their building blocks that have already got grooves or holes or rock pools, say, already built into them, so they're much better for marine life to colonise than your standard featureless construction blocks. But the thing is that a lot of research in this field has been focusing on using concrete to build these habitat units, and concrete's got a massive carbon footprint, and it's also not a very good habitat for marine life to live on. So we're looking for alternatives. Reefcrete's a novel material that uses recycled materials and natural fibres, and our early results suggest it's quite a good habitat for marine life, a good substrate for marine animals to colonise. So what we've set up here is a pilot study that's testing different mixes of the Reefcrete material. Some of them have got these whelk shells that we've recycled from the Newquay seafood factory just down the coast, and some of them have got natural hemp fibres, and then others are just standard concrete just for control comparisons. What we're looking for is a compromise between the lowest carbon footprint and durability to persist in this exposed marine environment, and also a material that can provide a suitable substrate for lots of marine wildlife to live on. So the publicity and the prize money from winning this P1 Marine Foundation Award is going to be great for taking this project to the next step. Later this year we want to apply for some grant funding, and we want to collaborate with engineers and developers to scale it up and get this Reefcrete material built into habitat units that can then be tested out in new developments.